To get started, you will open up a blank document on your computer screen, or a document that you are currently working on in Microsoft Word, where you need to save it to a specific file setting. For this tutorial, we're going to use a blank document to save and practice with. So go to the top tool ribbon, and in the upper left-hand corner of your document, you will use the File tool ribbon. The icon that you want to focus on in the File tool ribbon is the Save As icon. So you will select Save As to save your document. And every time that you save your document, you will always select Save As. This preserves the file setting and any changes that you make to the document. So when you do click Save As, you will see a menu appear in the center of your computer screen. This is the menu for saving your document. So right here, you would name your file under File Name. So this is going to be called Document 1. And underneath Document is the critical step, Save As Type, Word Document. In most scenarios, you would save your document as a Word document. However, there are occasions where you may be using Word 97 2003 document. And if you did that, it's an older setting for a document. Most likely if you are working in a template or if you download something from the Walden website, it'll be in a Word 97 2003 format. It is important that when you are working in those templates that you preserve and leave that formatting as is. However, if you are working in a newer Word document, you would select Word document to save your documents. So once you've selected the file type, you will then select Save. And then your document is saved, all the settings are preserved, and you are ready to continue working on your document.